Hey everyone, welcome back. Naima here. Today's video I am introducing the Faja, or belly binding, which is what I'm wearing right now. It is a long, thin scarf that is used to wrap around the belly and the low back multiple times to bring comfort, strength, support, and heat to this area of our bodies. I originally learned about the Faja when I was studying with a Mayan midwife down in Guatemala, learning Mayan abdominal massage. And we would use this belly binding technique after we completed a massage to help hold the organs in place. She also began to encourage me to use this cloth when I am bleeding and menstruating for various reasons. So, number one reason to use the Faja is to bring heat to the abdomen. Oftentimes when we are menstruating, we can have period cramps or pain of any kind, and what's most helpful during that time to relieve pain is heat. That's why we're often reaching towards a hot water bottle or a heating pad during our menstruating time. The Faja brings a natural heat source to the area by holding in your body's natural heat, and that increases the blood flow and can help relieve period pain. One of the second things that is most amazing about the Faja is that it offers this beautiful energetic barrier between you and the world. When we are bleeding, we can become so sensitive to so many things. Our emotions can be heightened, and oftentimes we just want to be wrapped up somewhere warm and in a cocoon and just feeling snug and held. And the Faja does exactly that. That is something that I love so much, and I've heard from so many different women that use this technique as well. They often say, gosh, it feels like my womb is being hugged. And that's what it feels like. It's amazing. So it offers this support, this hug feeling, and then it offers this other kind of energetic barrier between you and the outside world. Again, we're so sensitive during this time, can be so sensitive during this time, and it's nice to have that barrier, especially when you do need to get out of bed or off the couch and go to the grocery store, or perhaps you even have to go to work at some point. So it's best to use this as an energetic barrier to help maintain your own energy as you venture out into the world. And one of the last things that I really love about the Faja is it offers this low back support. It wraps all the way around the back, and it helps to bring comfort in this area too if you're having any sort of back pain or if you have low back cramps during your menstrual cycle. So, I want to give you a little tutorial now of how to wrap this Faja around you, and then I hope you're able to use it in your own life. Here we go. So the best position to wrap yourself is when you're laying down, because gravity is not pulling your organs down, they're in its rightful place, and then you can begin wrapping. So I've taken my scarf here and I've wrapped it up into a little ball, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the beginning of the scarf, and you can see which way I'm going to unfold it. So the scroll, the bulk of this scarf is going to be falling away from me. So I start on the front, and I just bring it around my backside. I lift up my pelvis, tuck it under me, turn, and grab it. And then I pull a little bit on either side, wrapping it again on top. I'd give a little tug here because you want it to be snug. You don't want it to be too tight that you can't breathe, but you definitely want it snug. Again, pull on this side, wrap it up. And then to tie it off, what you're going to do is just bring the ends of the scarf together, and then take the outermost layer of the scarf, because there's multiple layers here. Take the outermost layer, and you're just going to fold it down over the end, and that will hold you in place. So that is how you wrap a Faja around you. Again, remember, you don't need anything fancy to do this. You just need a long, thin scarf. Wrap yourself up nice and warm. Give your womb a beautiful hug when you're menstruating. Tell all your friends and your loved ones we could all use more womb hugs. I hope you enjoyed this video and got something out of it. If you liked it, please do hit the like button, subscribe to my page, and don't forget to check out my free resource below from my website, which is a little ebook about the phases of your menstrual cycle. Thanks for watching. See you next time.